You ask your AI a simple question about your own documents, something you know the answer is right there in the file, and it gives you an answer that's just plain wrong. So what's going on? Here's the surprising part. It's usually not because the model is dumb, it's because of how it goes and finds the answer in the first place. Most AI tools use something called RAG, which just means the AI looks through your documents, grabs the bits that seem relevant, and uses those to answer. Simple enough. But plain RAG has a habit of grabbing the wrong bits. Picture shredding a contract first and then trying to find the Q3 profit. You only pull out a few scraps and you completely miss the full picture. That shredding causes three real problems. First, it can't actually do math on the numbers sitting in a table, it just reads them like words. Second, because it chops everything into little chunks, it often cuts a sentence off from the context that made it make sense. And third, it really struggles to connect the dots across several different documents at once. So here's the fix, and it's called Agentic RAG. Instead of always blindly grabbing scraps, the AI first stops and reasons about which tool is the right one for your question. Maybe it does a quick search, maybe it pulls up the entire document to read in full, or maybe it queries a table properly to do the math. Plain RAG only has a hammer. Agentic RAG is a whole toolbox. Let's make it real. Say you ask, compare the payment terms in these two contracts. Plain RAG grabs a few random scraps from each and confidently gets it wrong. An Agentic RAG, on the other hand, recognizes it needs the whole picture. It pulls up each full contract, reads them properly, and then compares them side by side. So the common mistake to avoid is this. Don't trust a basic RAG setup for anything involving tables, multiple documents, or real reasoning. That's exactly where it quietly falls apart. If your AI keeps fumbling questions about your own documents, the answer usually isn't a smarter model. It's a smarter way of searching. Upgrade it to an Agentic RAG that can actually reason and see how much sharper the answers get.